In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a survey or quiz in your campaign using the drag and drop editor. To get started, head straight to the campaigns area of your platform. This is where all your messaging lives, including drafts you're still working on. Once you're there, open the Drafts tab. This view filters out anything that's already sent or scheduled so you can focus on items that are still being built. Find the campaign where you want to include your survey or quiz. If you already have a draft, click into it. If you don't, create a new campaign and choose the drag and drop editor. This editor is perfect for quickly laying out your content because you can place blocks exactly where you want them without any coding. Inside the editor, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of content blocks grouped by categories. Locate the category labeled Special. This is where interactive elements like surveys and quizzes are stored. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see all the categories and blocks available. Now drag either the survey block or the quiz block from the Special category and drop it into your campaign layout. Place it where it makes the most sense for readers, often near the top if you want maximum responses, or after key content if you're using the survey as a follow-up. As you drag, you'll see a visual guide indicating where the block will land, making placement simple and precise. With the block in place, look to the right side panel. This is where you'll customize the content and appearance. Add your questions here, write clear and concise prompts, and adjust response options to match your goal. Keep questions short and focused. People are more likely to complete a survey that feels quick and intuitive. You can also tailor labels, button text, and any helper text to guide your audience. If available, adjust styles such as spacing, alignment, and colors so the survey or quiz feels consistent with your brand and the rest of the email. Consider the flow from your reader's perspective. A brief, inviting introduction above the block can set context and increase participation. Make sure your questions align with a single objective, whether that's gathering feedback, qualifying leads, or testing knowledge. If you're using a quiz, frame the tone to match your brand, playful, educational, or professional, and keep the number of questions manageable. That's it. By navigating to campaigns, opening drafts, choosing the drag and drop editor, locating the special category, and dropping in the survey or quiz block, you've added an interactive element your audience can engage with. Customize on the right panel.